Read time under 4 minutes. Sundays with Shinky. 10x. Your productivity with AI micro-robots are navigating the brain. Drones are building in midair, and China's satellites and hypersonic engines are racing ahead. Biohybrid robots powered by mushrooms are bringing machines closer to nature. Unitree's G1 humanoid shakes hands like a human, hinting at emotional AI. Across medicine, space, and robotics, innovation is blurring science fiction into reality. The future isn't coming. It's already here. P.S. The Sunday Special is your weekly window into the most groundbreaking discoveries in robotic and tech beyond the world of AI. Stay tuned for our regular AI and tech briefings returning on Monday. Advancements in robotics photo, courtesy of the research team. Could the future of surgery be invisible? A team of scientists has developed a minimally invasive micro-robot capable of navigating the brain's most complex pathways with pinpoint precision. No incisions, no traditional surgery, just a tiny, programmable scout that could one day deliver treatments to hard-to-reach regions affected by neurological disorders like Parkinson's, epilepsy, or brain tumors. This could completely redefine neurosurgery as we know it, from high-risk operations to targeted interventions that feel more like remote missions than scalpel work. While still in early stages, the implications are massive. Targeted drug delivery, reduced trauma, and recovery time. The fusion of robotics, medicine, and microengineering. We're not just witnessing innovation, we're watching medicine reshape itself from the inside out. Shapeshifter. Chinese scientists have built a 9-centimeter untethered micro-robot that can move on land and in the air, adapting its shape for complex tasks. This innovation holds promise for applications in complex and hazardous environments, potentially transforming tasks such as equipment maintenance and exploration. 3. Sky builders. Flying robots are no longer sci-fi, they're construction workers in the making. Engineers have developed drones that can autonomously assemble structures mid-air, brick by brick, opening new possibilities for building in disaster zones or hard-to-reach places. Heritage tech. Lenovo's 6-legged robot dog is now patrolling the ancient Yingxian wooden pagoda using AI to scan, model, and monitor this 1,000-year-old marvel. It's a futuristic guardian for one of the world's oldest wooden structures. Shroom tech. Cornell scientists have unveiled an astonishing creation: biohybrid robots powered by live mushrooms. Blending nature and engineering, these bots could someday self-heal, adapt to their surroundings, and revolutionize sustainable robotics. The first search engine for Leads Forge is the very first search engine for leads. With a chat-like, easy interface, getting new leads is as easy as texting a friend. Just describe your ideal customer in the chat, industry, role, location, or other specific criteria, and our AI-powered search engine will instantly find and verify the best leads for you. No more guesswork, just results. Your lead list will be ready in minutes. Sign and get 100 credits. Special a handshake that might change everything. G1, demonstrating a range of movements at the exhibition hall of Unitree Robotics in Hangzhou. Unitree Robotics just unveiled the G1, a compact humanoid robot already turning heads with its surprisingly human-like handshakes and gestures. Powered by advanced AI and designed for agility, the G1 isn't just a research prototype, it's a real signal of how fast human-robot interaction is evolving. From casual waves to coordinated moves, this robot offers a glimpse into a future where robots aren't just tools, they're companions. The emotional intelligence gap? It's closing faster than we imagined. Could something as simple as a handshake be the spark that redefines our relationship with machines? Sunday School: How to Make Mini Workers AI Videos. Prompt of the Week. Just fill up the required details and copy-paste in Grok ChatGPT DeepSeek to see the magic. If you find the contents of this email useful, subscribe now and share with your friends. Your opinion matters. Got more feedback or just want to get in touch? Reply to this email and we'll get back to you. Thanks for reading. Until tomorrow, Shinky and the Hanuman AI team.